Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech. Today we have another live trading example. US steel, one of our favorite metals to trade, so let's get into it. Symbol X, one of our favorite trading vehicles. So what do we have? We had an open here, this gap down, sold off, did kind of a morning hook action, came up, came right up to yesterday's close, found resistance there, can't be surprised about that. We had that PSAR flip down. We were using the R10 as our MMRB, this guy right here, to manage. That's going to be our 1R risk. We had at least 3 of those down from that move. We had about 4 of them actually. And then zoom in on this bad boy. So now price had moved at least one risk box off the bottom. And then I probably could have got in a little bit earlier, like here. But either way, we got in here when the PSAR flipped, so our initial stop was here at that RL10 swing low. And then it really just made a nice orderly move. PSAR flipped, so we got out where we were supposed to. And you can see really a really nice symmetry there, where it got right back up. We had this purple line as our target, right, at that PSAR flip. It got right up to there. Bouncing off resistance, you can see here that it, on a long-term time frame, it kind of bounced off this yesterday's low of day, which is significant, and then intraday too, you can see it is bouncing off this open of the day, so kind of making this nice channel between the open, today's open, and then the day before's close, this black line. And then if we would have gotten short, we could have captured this move, but we had already netted 2, so I was done for the day. Knowing enough is enough. Click the link in the description to check out our trading courses at ablewaytech.com. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons posted each week. Thanks for watching.